signal's blinking. Oh no, it's not. Might stop. If it went on a yellow red, solid yellow red, it might stop. I hope not. I hope it went through on a yellow, but if it didn't, it might stop. So we might have to turn around and go the other way. But how?
Tomorrow's forecast. Tonight's weather forecast 46.
Kendall, did you bring your toothbrush?
Eastbound on Mount Clemens up. We missed it. Sorry guys, we missed this one. This is the A484.
70, dude.
There's something coming up. It looks like a car hole or something. I can't tell.
Huh? What?
Is it raining? Why?
Sprinkling.
Why?
Well, that tends to happen when it's cloudy.
God damn it. Alright.
What happens? What happens?
It sprinkles.
Not the end.
No, this is what they call the ghost part. That's a phantom rain. Oh, shut up.
Why